Okay. Well, we're going to start talking a little bit about the Facebook social plugin. You know, the like button, the activity feed. Whenever you go to somebody's web page and you see the little the Facebook icon with the little thumbs up, that's a Facebook social plugin. I did put a link, facebook.com/tcglv. You'll see a link um, on my page there, linking to the social plugins that you can use on your websites. That comes from the developers from Facebook. You can be a developer too if you're really interested. They're not overly difficult. You just have to dedicate a whole lot of time. Um, there's a lot of trial and error, and the Facebook social plugins are they're unique. Um, you can make you have a few different options. It used to be where you just added uh, a, a bit of code into the HTML into the top of your page in the HTML coding. Now they offer it as HTML5 coding in your head tags or just straight up JavaScript. But you still have to have head tags in there in order to call the Facebook scripting. They work really well. They can tend to be a little bit confusing for a novice. I would still recommend, if you are not 100% sure on what you're doing, call someone like me or call a professional. Um, Call your local plumber if he knows what he's doing. Just kidding. Call me. Um, uh, but be careful. If you start adding too many social plugins to your page can get real kludged up with a bunch of junk. You start adding your activity feed, and you add your social feed, and then you add your like button is fine, but if you want to add your like button with your activity feed, okay. But then if you want to add a social stream, and then if you want to add, oh gosh, what else is there? Let's see. There's a subscribe button, and then you can add comment buttons. You can add a comment section, and then there's activity feed to where it says all the activity that you have from your site. Um, you could have a like box on your page. Now there are some neat things if you have a site that requires a login, like addthis.com. I log in with my Facebook login. Since I'm logged into my Facebook 9 out of 10 times that I'm on my computer, I just go to add this, click on the login with Facebook, and it just logs me right in. That's using a Facebook social login. If you have like any sort of a blog, it'll integrate with WordPress. It'll integrate with Joomla. It'll integrate with a lot of other programs. Now, FacePile displays a Facebook profile, pictures of users that have liked your page. Um, that can be kind of cool if you have a dedicated section on your site. If not, it can be kind of ugly. Uh, um, Live stream is new. I haven't put that on my page yet. I haven't put it on anyone's page yet. It's new to me. Excuse me. Like I said in my first video, I'm tired today. Live stream is actually lets users share activity and comments in real time as they interact during a live event. That's actually kind of neat. Um, that would be that'd be kind of cool to use while we're talking here. Um, Heck, could use it now. Um, but we're not. So, anyway, if you can put like buttons on any page, you can put send buttons, subscribe buttons, so on and so forth. If you just want to put a like button on a page, you will need to put certain. You've got HTML5, XFBML, and then iframe. Your iframe code sometimes doesn't always work. Sometimes you're not allowed to put iframe codes in. XFBML, in your HTML coding at the top of the page, you have to put XMLNS, FB, and then a certain amount of code with a special digit identifying your page to Facebook, saying, hey, this is my web page, I'm allowed to be here, Facebook, talk to me please. And it's just telling Facebook what kind of page you are. So when somebody says send a like, this is the page, it sends that identifier, and that's how it works. HTML5, little different. HTML5, you don't normally need the, you don't have to put that code in the HTML at the top, but not all servers support HTML5, not all browsers support HTML5. It is new coding language, but it will be globally accepted here. It's probably already globally accepted everywhere by now, but I'm just not coding in it yet, so yeah. I'm still using XFBML because I know that it still works. But anyway, there's not really too much to go off of there. You've got like buttons, you've got share buttons, send buttons, subscribe buttons, comments, activity feeds. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can put. Under activities, you can share certain just activities. You can just share certain friends' activities. You have a lot of options. Go to the link that I shared on my site and enjoy, have fun. And if you have any questions, tcglv.com, facebook.com/tcglv. Give me a call, 702-326-4749. Thanks. Have a great day. Tip your waitress on the way out.